Welcome to this one-of-a-kind tiny house with a stunning curved design. Painted in a vibrant orange color, this unique home stands out beautifully against the natural backdrops of trees and mountains. With wide frame windows and doors, it exudes both charm and modern elegance. Resting on a solid concrete slab, this tiny house is built for stability and style. Under the clear sky with a few scattered clouds, it is the perfect blend of nature and contemporary living. Let's take a closer look inside. Welcome to this one of a kind tiny house with a unique curved design, painted in a vibrant soft orange and white color. With white frame windows and doors, this tiny home stands out with its modern yet cozy aesthetic. But what makes this home truly special is not just its beautiful exterior, it's the thoughtfully designed interior that maximizes space, functionality, and comfort. Let's step inside and explore this charming, well-lit tiny home. As soon as you enter, you will notice how bright and spacious the interior feels despite its compact size. The curved design adds a unique architectural touch, making the space feel organic and open. The combination of soft orange and white tones creates a warm, inviting atmosphere, while the large window allows plenty of natural light to flow in, enhancing the sense of openness. Whether it's day or night, the well-placed artificial light ensure that the home is always bright and cozy. On one side of the tiny home, you will find a fully functional kitchen designed to make the most of every inch of space. The sleek white cabinets provide ample storage, while the compact countertop offers just enough room for preparing delicious meals. A window above the kitchen lets in natural light, creating a bright and cheerful cooking area. Despite its size, this kitchen is equipped with modern appliances, ensuring that it's as efficient as it is stylish. One of the best features of this tiny house is the loft bed. Accessed by a sleek and functional staircase, the loft is designed to be a cozy retreat, providing just the right amount of privacy while still feeling connected to the rest of the home. The curved ceiling enhances the sense of comfort, making this the perfect spot to unwind after a long day. With soft lighting and warm wooden tones, the loft bed area feels like a peaceful sanctuary. In the heart of the home, there's a small dining table, ideal for enjoying meals, working, or even just relaxing with a cup of coffee. Despite its compact size, the strategic placement of the dining area ensure that it doesn't feel cramped. Surrounded by large windows, this spot offers plenty of natural light, making it a perfect place to start the day with a bright and uplifting atmosphere. And opposite the dining table, there is a small lazy sofa designed for ultimate relaxation. Whether you are reading a book, watching TV, or just enjoying the view through the large window, this spot is perfect or for unwinding. The soft cushion and minimalist design make it both stylish and comfortable, proving that even in a tiny space, you don't have to sacrifice comfort for functionality. This curved tiny house is a true masterpiece of modern small space living. With its well-lit and thoughtfully designed interior, it's offer comfort, efficiency, and style all in one. From the functional kitchen and cozy loft bed to the inviting dining area and relaxing sofa, every element is designed to maximize both space and comfort. Though compact, this well-lit bathroom is filled with luxurious features, ensuring comfort and functionality without sacrificing style. With a large window offering breathtaking mountain views, this space transforms an ordinary bathroom into a tranquil retreat. Let's take a closer look at what makes this tiny house bathroom truly special. Despite its small size, the curved architecture of this tiny home allows the bathroom to feel spacious and open. The soft lighting, warm tones, and natural light from the window creates an atmosphere that is both inviting and refreshing. Whether it's daytime with the sunlight streaming in or nighttime with soft artificial lighting, this bathroom is always bright and comfortable. On one side of the bathroom, you will find a modern luxury toilet that fits seamlessly into the curved design. The sleek minimalist style ensures that it complements the overall aesthetic of the space. Positioned in just the right spot, it maintains both privacy and convenience, making the most of every inch in this compact yet functional area. One of the standout features of this tiny home bathroom is the glass enclosed shower cabin. Despite the small space, the well-planned layout ensures that the shower area feels open and comfortable. Equipped with a modern rainfall shower head and a handled shower, it provides a luxurious spa-like experience in the heart of this tiny home. The glass enclosed shower keeps the space looking this sleek and open, avoiding any feeling of tightness. The wastafel and mirror area is designed with the style and practically in mind. The modern sink, made of a light colored stone or concrete materials, sit elegantly against the curved wall. Above it, a large mirror with soft, warm backlighting enhanced the feeling of space, making the bathroom feel larger and more open. The clean lines and minimalist aesthetic adds a touch of luxury to the overall design to maintain optimal air circulation. A powerful exhaust fan is installed, ensuring that the bathroom stays fresh and moisture-free. This feature is crucial in tiny homes, preventing humidity buildup and keeping the space comfortable and odor-free at all times. One of the most unique and breathtaking features of this tiny house bathroom is its large window overlooking a stunning mountain landscape. Imagine taking a relaxing shower or getting ready in the morning while gazing at the natural beauty outside. This is what makes this tiny home bathroom feel truly special. The window not only enhances the sense of space and opens, but also allows for natural ventilation and plenty of daylight, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. This curved tiny house bathroom is a perfect example of how small space can still feel luxurious, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. For from the well-lit open design to the luxury toilet, elegant sink, spa-like shower, and breathtaking mountain view window, every detail in is carefully planned to maximize comfort and style. Between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful idea and inspiration. So, would you love to live in the unique tiny home like this? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching until the end, and just wait for my next video in this channel. Bye bye.